Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your device. Enable unknown sources and confirm storage and app permissions so installation won't be blocked. Next, if using an extension-enabled build, add the extension repository source. If apt, download it directly. You do this now because missing permissions or wrong source prevents the extension from loading. Once done, open the host app's extension manager and choose Add Extension. Make sure to select the correct file or repository entry so the installer recognizes Aniyomi. Once the extension is installing, monitor prompts and grant network and file access. Aniyomi needs both to fetch catalogs and save data. After installation, open the extension settings and pick your preferred sources. This controls what manga or comics appear. You should also set update intervals and cache limits to balance freshness versus bandwidth. If repository dependencies are required, install them in sequence. This prevents broken features and ensures the extension integrates cleanly with the host app. To complete setup, restart the host app so the extension registers fully and then test by opening a source and loading a chapter. This confirms parsing and image delivery work. If content doesn't load, check logs or permissions and update the extension to the latest version to fix compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see parsing errors, clear the extension cache and reinstall the extension. This resolves most corrupt download or version mismatch problems quickly and gets you back to reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.